So what we have to do here, we have to remove the battery and also this connection here. To remove the flex for the screen, which is right here. Like, this installation is kind of dumb, you know, but it's smart as well, you know, for steadiness. But it's a lot of work. Like, we had to raise up this board, we had to remove this. I really find this to be dumb, you know. Dumb. Like, we have to do all of this just to replace a screen. And we need to remove this from the board area. Guys, this is so smart by LG. I like the design of the phone, but this, it's like an adventure for me, but for persons who want to do their DIY. But we have to remove this battery. Wow, LG, you're so smart. So guys, my advice is to remove the battery. Your work will be more efficient when you put back up the phone. These batteries are not that easy to remove, but you have to take your time, be patient, and also make sure that there's no charge in the battery, because if there is and you punch it, then this is why I'm using this plastic tool to do this. What we're going to do, we want to slide everything through. And when you slide it through, you will look at the screen, right? Look at the way the screen will go. So guys, we are going to put some adhesive around. We are going to use this one. This one is very good, but it's very good if you want to change a screen in the future again. Like, if you want to seal down your screen very tight, you can use a stronger one. Stronger adhesive. This one is very good, but it's very good if you want to change a screen in the future again. Like, if you want to seal down your screen very tight, you can use a stronger one. Stronger adhesive. Ensure that you have sufficient glue around, because once the screen goes down, to take it up back won't be easy. We just need to remove this, and we just need to stick this now. I just want to let you guys know that there's a pin here, right here. There's a pin, so you need to make sure that this is aligned, or it will punch the ribbon, and you don't want that. So yeah, this is shut seal. We'll actually clean up after it is dry. So in the meantime, we can go ahead and reassemble everything that we took out. We have the charging port to put back in. So what we're gonna do here, and you need to connect back this ribbon here for a 3.5mm headphone jack. So as you can see here, things are looking up. Now for the motherboard. Reassembling is quite easy than disassembling. One of the things that we need to do here, we need to make sure that this cable underneath is connected, charging cable, and everything looking lovely here so far. What we need to connect next is this ribbon here. Then guys, we need to connect the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. The screen is connected, and everything here is actually connected except the speaker and the wireless charging pad at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and connect. We're going to do that. We're going to connect back the battery here. We're going to connect back the bottom piece here with the speaker. This piece here with the charging pad at the back. All we have to do here is just stick back on the back cover. Make sure that the fingerprint connection is aligned and everything here. Put back in all the screws, and guys, we are done. What I do love about doing these repairs, I like to test the screen before actually sticking it. That's what I like to do, because if this screen is not good, we do all this work in vain. And we have to heat this back off and take it off. So I am going to do a quick test to make sure that it is working. Plug in the charger, and we're going to test. Well, it's actually showing. We need to make sure that it is touching and everything. And I make sure give it enough adhesive. As you can see, it press out the excess, so we can just rub this off to clean off. So guys, you can see that the phone is charging here, and we already put back in the screws. So all we have to do is to just stick back on the back. Like, this back had already cracked up before, but we're going to stick this back on. So we should be at about a 1%, a 2%. There, we're going to test the screen. Yeah, normally with most phones, I normally test the screen before sticking. But just because of the way this is designed and the way we have to deal with the screen, I decide to stick it right off the back and test after. It's kind of dumb saying that, but like, yeah. If you know these screens normally have problems, then you make sure test before install. Well, you know, it's working. This is working, guys. So do like, share, and subscribe, and we're good to go. We just need to clean off the excess adhesive around and we should be good, and you're good to go. So do like, share, and subscribe.